Here we come to the elevator at Pima Hall at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is something modernized by Innovation. Installed in 1992, modernized in the 2010s. Let's see your cab view. GL interlock. Let's go up to 3. The door will close when you push the button. Let's listen to the motor. Here we are on 3.
Floor 3.
Swing the bell.
Going down.
Door close button works like that. Capacity 2,000 pounds. This is elevator number 1. This is very nice. It runs very well. No fan, which is awesome. Nothing too special. Innovation Bruiser. Modernized, of course. Originally installed in 1992. Modernized in the 2000s.
Floor 1.
Well, this is really cool. Anyways, this is cool. I got a video on YouTube of an elevator. It's never been filmed before. Let's ring the bell one more time. It's just a voice for the bell, which is kind of cool. Innovation lantern. Anyways, here it goes. That's going to be it.